Hello Sassy Peeps and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a thrift haul. No one asked for this. No, because no one knew that I was going to the thrift store. But you know what? We're doing it anyways because I've been wanting to do a thrift haul. I love watching people spend money at thrift stores because I love thrift stores. You want to know why? Okay, thrift stores are great because you can buy stuff that you may or may not need for some low prices, and I'm all about a low price, okay? So we're just gonna get started because you know your girl likes to talk, so yeah. So the very first thing, we were in the checkout line and I saw something staring in my eyes across the way, and I said, wow, that's cool. It's a McDonald's tin. It is a vintage, if you look, yes, it is a vintage McDonald's tin. It has the retro McDonald's sign, the building design, and even on the side, well, I thought that was it. I just thought it was a cute retro McDonald's tin, right? No, then the cashier said, oh yeah, there's candy in that. Guys, there is candy in this tin, but get this. The candy in this tin is from 1998. Yes, the candy inside this tin is nearly 20 years old, but I don't think I'm gonna open it because I want to retain the value. But enough talking about this because I took like a few minutes. Okay, moving on. Next, I found this thing, which is a business card holder, and if you look, it looks like a retro phone. It is a business card holder that you're supposed to put your business cards and your pen in there. Your girl doesn't have a business, so yeah. It's a picture frame. I have a love for novelty, or what I consider well, they're not novelty, but just decorated picture frames. So this one has a bunch of little, are these roses? Yes. Correct, yeah. I have another decorated frame. This one is kind of creepy. It has a bunch of bears, you know, with their eyes like staring into your soul. This one here is another sort of decorated frame type. And next I got two belts, which one of them doesn't fit. I'm a little sad. So I got this one here, which there is a stain on it, but you know, I was like, I think that's a stain. I don't know what that is, but I said, you know what, I can get it. I could still use it anyways. I could just cover that with something. I didn't bother to think that maybe this belt might be too big. Maybe it's too small. Yeah, it's too big. So I can't use this. So that's, I think I paid like $4 for that. But this one here actually does fit, and I do really like it. I was really wanting a thick belt because I'm really tired of the thin ones. Long story on that, but this one does fit, so very, very nice. Next, moving on into clothing. I'm going to try to go through this as fast as I can, but you know me. Again, I like to talk. This very first thing that I got from the thrift is actually this. This shirt here is by far my favorite shirt that I own. Because look at how cute it is. This gives me major Fran Fine vibes. If you don't know who that is, Fran Fine is the nanny on the show The Nanny, you know, that used to play on Nick at Night like all the time. This shirt is so comfy, it's so soft, and it's very like, you know, like I'm a movie star. No, it is just, it's everything. So I love that so much. Next, I got this shirt, which is also one of my favorites now. It is an off-the-shoulder top. I mean, you can also wear it not off the shoulder, but I think it's kind of meant to be worn off the shoulder. It has a very dainty kind of, where was I going with that? I don't know, but it is a crochet pattern, as you can see, and I love the color. It's not way too pink, you know, like a hot pink. It's just a nice, a really nice shirt. I don't, where do I put, okay, I have this shirt here, which I think I only got for like $1.50 or something like that, which not too bad. It's just, it's another off-the-shoulder type top. You can also, again, wear this not off the shoulder as well, but I think it's kind of meant to be worn off the shoulder, and the back has a very Why can I not think of okay, you see what it looks like? That's what it looks like. This next shirt here, I actually already have in another color, but you know, when I saw it in the color that it was, I said, you know, I like the other shirt, so why not just get it in this color as well? I don't know if the camera's picking it up very well, but it has like a, it has this. Do you see that? It's like a knit type. It's not knit. I'm not a fashion designer, I'm not a fashion pro, I don't know these terms, okay? But it's cute, it has buttons. Yes, you can also wear it off the shoulder. And I have this same exact shirt in the color blue as well. Next one here, I saw this and I said, needs to be in my closet. I love the embroidery. I know that word. Embroidered type, border? Is that what you would call this? I don't know, but it's all on the back too. And guys, the front is also embroidered, like, yes, and, oh no, it does not stop there. The shoulder sleeve puff thing is also embroidered, and I love embroidered stuff so much, so when I saw this, I said, gotta have it, so I got it. I almost didn't buy, but I decided to get it anyways because it was on sale, and I feel like it's kind of a staple. Black shirts, to me, are just a staple because black, they say, goes with everything. And I love, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the, not collar, the neckline on this has kind of a retro feel. I don't remember what this neckline is called. I think it's just the square neckline. I don't know, but it's just a simple black top, but I love that neckline. And I actually have another shirt that I got from a thrift store months ago, and it also has that square neckline. The last shirt that I got for $1. This, for $1, not too bad. It is just, what? This is, what is this pattern called? Gingham. Is that how you say it? Or is it gingham? Pretty sure it's gingham, not gingham, Kiana. Jeez, oh my goodness. It is just a simple gingham, however you want to say it, button-up type thing. I personally just like to wear these over tank tops. I don't even really button it up, but, you know, for $1, for something that I can wear over a tank top, I love it. Last few items, 2 of these are dresses. This next dress, guys, is probably my favorite dress that I own now. It is this right here. It is, oh my gosh. Okay, the sleeve was sticking to the dress there. I almost didn't buy this, but I'm glad that I did, and oh wow. Okay, I just realized there's a hole in the sleeve, but you know what, it's fine. This dress here, the color is amazing. The lace on it is amazing. Like, do you see that pattern? Yes. The sleeves, I love it so much, and it is also an off-the-shoulder, so it combines, like, everything that I love. The color, the detail, the off-the-shoulder, because you know, Kiana wears a lot of off-the-shoulders. If you don't know, check my Instagram, and you will see most of the shirts that I wear are off the shoulder. Okay, but this is just so nice. I think I also got, it was $7, but I got it for $5, I think, because it was on sale, so overall, I just said that I love that dress and I'd throw it on the ground. Me. Okay, and then this next dress I almost also didn't buy, but I bought it anyways. It is a black number here, and there is, guys, you know I love the lace. There's lace on the sleeves. There's like, some lace here on the front. There's this, I didn't really like the neckline at first, but or not the neckline, the collar at first, but I started to like it once I tried it on. There's also a big freaking hole, so it like draws attention to that area. I don't get why it's so big, but alright. And then here's what the back looks like. So it's nice. You'll see it in the try-on. Yes, these pants are meant for children, but I tried them on, and I am actually kind of petite, so I can make them work as long as I don't sit down. Just kidding. That's an exaggeration. But they are pretty small, but I love the pattern so much, and these type of pants with this freaking pattern, I'm telling you, I don't know what it is, but the prices on those things, we're talking like $30, $20, like $40 plus. It gets crazy with this pattern, so I found these for like $4. So I will make them work. Now that is pretty much it for this thrift haul. Let me know if you want me to do more in the future. What is my earring doing? Can you... Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, let me know if you want more of these. If you don't, that's fine. I will see you guys later. Bye, guys. Bye-bye.